Candles, fibs, crosses, EMAs. It's the tools of the day trade. Don't be a noob and trade on websites that don't give you BitBoy bonuses. Click the link in the description to get set up on ByBit or Femex and get an insane sign-up bonus for being part of the BitSquad. Leverage trade responsibly, but do it the right way on Femex or ByBit. Bonus details in the links below.
BitBoy Crypto Morning Tea. Good morning, everybody. It's January 3rd, 2022. My name's Matty B. That is Scaramucci's. And this is your Morning TA. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni, bringing the data. FOMO index is at 29, same as yesterday. Bitcoin dominance is at 39.6%. Breaking under that 40% milestone, 24-hour volumes at 77 billion. Heartbreakingly low. The overall market cap is 2.23 trillion. Give or take 100 million. $47K. For the love of Pete, can we get above 47K? Last week, we said our two patterns with the highest probabilities were the bear flag and the reverse head and shoulders. They would play out on Jan 1. And although we did hit our target of 47.9, which should have seen a subsequent pump to 49.7, this red devil's pinky of manipulation, more or less invalidating both patterns, as only market manipulation can. Now over on the daily, you can still see we're surfing the Chop Suey Coast channel of 46K to about 51K. Now if we squint real proper like, one can see a cute little W pattern forming. Now if we dial in our time formula we talked about last week, we can see it's taken about 23 days to form, so let's plot out 23 more days, we get January 17th. And if you remember, that is the crucial day we need to be above 53K. Let me rephrase that. I'd really like to be above 53K by January 17th. Because that means we've invalidated the mother of all head and shoulder patterns over on the weekly. But back to this cute little W pattern on the daily. Our target on the W pattern is calculated by taking the distance from the bottoms to the neckline at 50K. And that should be around January 8th-ish. And if we drag that distance up, we get our target of 55.3-ish, also invalidating the mother of all head and shoulders pattern. So double word score on a few. These patterns can fail as well. And when they do, well, let's just cross that failing W bridge when we get there. Couple of directors' commentary on the daily chart sees price action under all three moving averages, with the 20 barreling down on it, while the MACD is struggling to stay bullish. And I just don't like it. Quick look at the weekly sees we made another close under the 50 moving average, which we haven't seen since the March Madness of 2020. But hey, there's still that hidden kinky little bullish divergence there holding tight. And it may not be something, but it sure ain't nothing. So remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected lead. That's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. BitBoy Crypto Morning Tea. Hey, oh, ching.